Hello, welcome back to the channel. Jeff Greenaway Outdoors. Saturday again. We've just checked into Pine Tree Hollow Glamping. Kathryn, the girls and myself for the Saturday evening. Lovely wee setup so far. We're in the wagon behind us. It's an old cattle cart. Very quirky. Going to enjoy the night with the girls. Wee bit of exploring. So I'll bring you back a couple of hours ago to Castlewellan Forest Park. Check in soon.
Can you help, buddy? Okay. I don't need help. Mommy, I'm waiting on you.
Come on, Ruby, pull yourself up.
Mommy, just do it like me. Mommy, I'm going to do a secret message right here. Okay? So, you have to follow me. Just say, let's go to a secret
Give me up here.
Daddy, can you help me? Hey, unlike and subscribe. Daddy's videos.
Here we go for the guided tour. As soon as you come in to the right, with triple bunks. The girls will love. But they'll also hate it because I'm sure they'll end up sleeping on the sofa bed, which is in your left. Pulled out to be a double bed. Chimney, not too sure if we'll like that tonight. Not tonight. It's pretty mild. Fridge, little unit, couple of board games. Kathryn's got the fan on already. Like I said, it's pretty mild. So that's everything else. We'll go chill out. The girls are over in the communal area playing games for themselves, so matter of fact, Alex back playing on the stepping stone, so like I say, we'll go relax, maybe even have a non-alcoholic beer soon. The Moor Mountains just opening up here. Let's see if we can point them out. With Sleeve Burner, Meal Moor and then Meal Beg right beside it. Lovely day, cracking weather. Just at the wee fire pit that's outside the wagon. I'll give you a wee tour later on, hopefully get it lit up and stuff. Another wee feature to the Pine Tree Hollow. It's the honesty shop. Full of sweets for the kids, hot chocolate and stuff. Homemade honey. And of course, there's a sign saying Channel 4, 4 in the bed winner.
What are you doing, guys?
Oh, damn it, Mummy, stop that.
And here we have the shack. Little communal area. Big massive chalkboard. Kids love that. Oh. Looks like Ruby's already been doing a wee bit of spell. Right into the porch bit. Very nice, tall, very nice. Kids are having a whale of a time. O'clock, Saturday afternoon. Cheers.
Cha-ching. I can't drink on that. How's the 0.0?
Very nice. Refreshing.
I don't think so. Gotta have some sort of percentage.
Dang, I can look over.
Oh, too far there, Rupert.
Good strike, Dubes.
Come on. Got it.
It's a time. The Glamping pods. Just getting a wee delivery from Little Lowe's down in Castlewellan. Pizza and chips tonight, and then we're going to have some marshmallows roasted over the fire pit outside. The sun is still hot in the sky. A good bit of warmth still off it. Girls are really enjoying themselves outside still. So we'll just probably go out and enjoy the rest of the evening with them. And then we'll check in later on when night time falls, hopefully.
That's an egg. Yeah, look.
That's us, all packed up. Girls had an early night last night, about 9:30 or so. Just went straight to bed themselves, so there was no walking around with the lights or anything on around the pods, but sure, they enjoyed themselves, so that's the main thing. I might let them sign off with a few words if I can get anything sensible out of them, but we've packed up. It's near 9 o'clock now. We'll just hit the road home, but hopefully see us all next week again. Thanks for coming along, liking and subscribing and stuff, all the rest of the videos. Comments are much appreciated. Hope you enjoyed this one. What's it just like the best, guys?
What's your favourite thing?
Skipping ropes on your park.
Skip ropes in the park.
Rubes, anything?
What about you, Ruby?
Bunk beds and amusements.